check. It's the New York blizzard. Yo. Who said you need four-wheel drive, man? Who the hell said you need four-wheel drive? Check it out. I'm in a sedan right now. No four-wheel drive. And I'm killing it. I'm the only one on the road. You know what I mean? You don't need no four-wheel drive, man. Look at that, look at that. You see that four-wheel drive car right there? That dude is stuck, man. He got four-wheel drive. What the fuck? Yo, that shit crazy, boy. I don't even got four-wheel drive, and I'm out here. Yo, let me tell you a crazy story. I'm gonna tell you a crazy story right now. While I'm driving in this crazy snowstorm blizzard in New York, I'm headed to Queens right now. Actually, I'm in Queens right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. So check this story out. Alright, about the word out share. Alright. Now check it out. I made that word up. I'm the one that created that word out share. I remember a little while ago, a few years ago, like 2011, maybe 2012, not sure. French Montana's manager hit me up and he was like, yo, if you want to work with French, send him a ill track with a verse on it. So I was like, boom. 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 So that's exactly what I did. I sent him a track, and in that verse, I said, ouch, ouch, yeah, ouch, yeah. And you know what? The next day, the dude was saying ouch, yeah on his Twitter page, totally ignoring my totally ignoring my my freaking well, he didn't ignore my song. He listened to the song, but he totally ignored my you know, my email. Like he never responded back because he kept that. He bit my words. You know what I mean? I don't got nothing against him though. You know what I mean? I'm not hating on him, but that's how a lot of these mainstream artists work, yo. They bite off the little mother humpers. You know what I mean? That's how it is. Word up, man. Check it out. I'm on my way to Brooklyn right now. Jumping on the Cross Island, on my way to Brooklyn to go pick up my cousin. I'm on my way to Coney Island, Flatbush. Shout out to all my Flatbush heads, Coney Island heads, Kings Plaza, all of that. Shout out to my cousin Jonathan. Yo, I'm on my way, cuzzo. Yo, check it out. It's a blizzard out here. Yeah, so he never responded, but the next day on Twitter, he was saying out share. Like he created a new word, and then everybody started saying out share. But whatever, man, it ain't nothing. It's really nothing. It's real. But this blizzard is something. For real. The speed, yo, y'all four-wheel drivers be driving mad slow, B. Yo, I'm driving on E too, kid. Let me show y'all. I'm driving on E. I'm on E. And I'm driving in the blizzard. Look, that car right there is stuck. That's crazy. Yo, it's crazy. It's crazy in here. This blizzard is insane, boy. Might have that. I just got a haircut yesterday. It is dark out. I'm trying to play some Christmas songs. That's country music.
No tienes que preocuparte por lo que quiero. Siempre yo voy a estar por si ese es tu miedo, mi amor me complace. Me mata siempre que me lo hace. Hay padres que me tiran pero en flor esta clase. Tu madre y tu padre se robaron todas las bases. Está tan dura que como ella cada 100 años le hacen. Ven, mátame, dice dale baby, maltrátame. Si quieres de viaje solo déjame saber. Si te enamoras yo nada voy a perder. Ya tú eres mía, dale, ven, mátame. Dice dale baby, maltrátame. Si quieres ir de viaje solo déjame saber. Si te enamoras yo nada voy a perder. Te volví a probar, tu boca no pierde sabor, la caramelo. Nos dejamos llevar. Tú eres mi bandolera, yo soy tu bandolero. Te volví a probar, tu boca no pierde sabor, la caramelo. Nos dejamos llevar. Tú eres mi bandolera.
Santa doesn't make me happy. Santa can kick rocks. I just want you. I know. So here's the difference. Mariah,
Damn.
in 1994,
There's a car right here
that
that's
comes out.
stuck.
She doesn't talk about sex.
I should go help him, but I
And
can't.
she doesn't talk about wanting things. She wants quality time. That's
Right.
right. Meanwhile, the god, the queen, Eartha Kitt, all due respect, she wanted.
All right, y'all. Let me let y'all go, man. Peace.